Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be Project Pan update number 1 for 2024. A little bit behind, but that's okay. We did go through a few products, and also a quick side note, I am not rolling in any new products this time because I still have so many left and I want to use up at least a couple more before I roll in anything else. First I'm going to start with lips, the NailPolish Glam Lip Mask. And I think there's little progress on this, especially on the side there. It's really hard to mark this. This is a lip oil, a peach lip oil from Temu. There was where we started, and here is where we are now. So almost through with this product. Pretty happy with some of this progress. Milani Rose Facial Oil. So this has been in for a while. Couple Project Pans actually, but it's still performing like it should, and I'm going to try to use this up this year. But because it's an oil, also I feel the need to say this, that you need so little of it, it takes a long time to get through this product. So there's where we are now compared to the mark above it where we started this year. I mean, little progress. The I Heart Revolution Peach Powder. It's really hard to tell with powder products. I used to mark them, but the mark usually just rubs off. And we're just going to continue to work on that. It's a little less than half left in there, I would say. So, continue to work on that. Primers. The NYX Marshmallow Primer. And this product goes upwards. So, here's where we started at the beginning of the year. And here are we now. I'm working on 2 different primers in this Project Pan right now too, so we're almost done with this one, so that's nice. Not a sure way to mark this one either, but the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I don't think it's a good representation to draw rings on the back because we're also working up here and stuff. So I do think that the dip there has gotten larger compared to last time. So happy with the progress there. I want to get these out of the way. Benefit Roller Lash, still hanging in there. It's almost done. And the She Does Peach Mascara from Temu. This is still hanging on. I want to do it for Lash Blast. This She Does one's pretty nice, and it does smell like peaches. Just so strange. The Rimmel Blush Highlighter Contour Palette. Of course, we use these up in prior Project Pans, but this blush here, there is definite, like you can even see the side here, the little line in the pan. There's definitely more dippage. This is such a pretty blush. So, I'm pretty happy with the progress. It is blush, you know. A little goes a long way usually. And then the LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Palette. This highlighter we're still working on. And there's definitely a little bit more missing out of that pan. So, I'm pretty happy about that. NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin. I use this as my highlighter, and I definitely think that the pan in this one has gotten a lot bigger, and I like where we are with this one. It is definitely on its way out, hopefully by the end of the year. And I have the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This one is also another one that's hard to mark, but here's where we started. And I can see through the package a little bit, so I'm guessing it's right around here. Now, so decent progress on its way out, and I'm happy with the progress. This one is also almost gone, and it's the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist. And there's the line where we started, and here's the line where now. Which isn't bad, I only use this to foil eyeshadows, so not a lot of this is being used. So I may actually use it as a primer spray to get it used up and then start just working solely on this one. Next up, I have the L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. This stuff's really nice. Well, there is the mark where we started, and here is where we are now. It is a dewy mist, so I'm not using it all the time, but I do like the scent of that, and I do like the effect it does give sometimes. Now we're going to move into the products that are empty, and this will be the end of the video. The I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray, and this one was in vanilla and coconut. Here's where we started at the beginning of this year, and now it is done. It smelled nice. It worked okay. I don't think I'll purchase any more of these again. My experience with Makeup Revolution has just been okay. Well, that one is gone. The CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous powder is gone. Oh, no more. The Wet n Wild Breakup eyeliner is finally gone. It is not the blackest or well-staying eyeliner that I've ever used. It was okay, and I would repurchase in a pinch, but not my favorite. I'm glad that it's gone. And then the Profusion Good Brow Day. So the mascara and the eyebrow pencil. I do like the mascara part of it, although it is not actually finished. I did say that these were going to be used as a pair, and once this one is gone, this one is gone too. I'm just not like crazy about it. I don't typically put tinted mascara in my brows, but if I was using this, I would use this with it. So, a good deal at the drugstore. They do work nice. And that is all my project pan updates. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.